I have not shown my face yet. At least I think. I don't know, and I don't want to. Because of some reason that I don't know what is. I don't, wait, no, okay. Look at it. Mount Horeb. It's 1:20, 24 p.m. She's also here. So I must live somewhere near Mount Horeb. I haven't heard of Mount Horeb. But it's cloudy. Maui. It's a 63. I don't know why I opened that. I was trying to. No! Oh my gosh. But yeah, I took some more screenshots. If you looked at my other video yesterday, you would have saw that I went through my screenshots. And now I'm trying to get into my mom's iPad because I don't know the password because she changed it because I was on TikTok and my account wasn't private. So yeah, my account's still on there, but now it's private. In this video I made yesterday because I got it on my computer, I logged in on there and I can't unprivate it because it's a computer. So I've been trying to get a picture of my mom. I don't know how I'm gonna do that. But I'm gonna play Royale High again. I like Royale High a lot. Like, it does this all the time. And I retry and then it joins. Like, why do I need to do this? Makes me angry. Oh wait. Oh, that's loud. Oh gosh. Alexa, set a timer.
Timer for how long?
10 minutes, I guess.
10 minutes. Starting now.
I've been trying to find 2 more bags. Wait, yeah, it's 2 more. For like the past 3 days. I have no clue where they are. Like, where are they? I've been looking everywhere. I've even looked on the moon. And if this hurts your eyes, just turn down the brightening, like it does for me. So it wouldn't be that bright. But when you get there, it's not that bright. There's like these weird holes that people say that's on the moon. I've never been to the moon. Okay, well at least in real life, because I don't know anybody that's an astronaut besides Neil Armstrong. Oh, I'm falling. Okay, there we go. I don't even know if Neil Armstrong is an astronaut. I'm pretty sure he is. You see, I don't pay attention in school. Like, oh my god, I just feel so weird right now. Like, where are they? And I swear, if they're like in plain sight, I'm gonna be so mad. Like, these were the easiest ones. I should have found them first. But like, I didn't. Help me. Like, help me, please. I feel like a psychopath because I can't find them. Am I really a psychopath because I can't find them? Yeah. Okay, let's go to Sunset Island. I'm bored. Almost level 25. I forgot what level you have to be to trade, but to go like to the hub thing, I think it's called hub. I don't know, it's like that alien center, that update that was a couple months ago, I think. I don't know anymore. Like, I don't know. I don't know nothing. Nothing. I forgot that you can't freaking fly. I think. Wait, did yesterday I play music? If I played a song yesterday, I'm so gonna get copyrighted. Like, I wish this was like TikTok. You wouldn't ever get copyrighted. Like, one time I react to this Gacha Life. It got not, I was gonna about to say dress coded. Now I just forgot what it was called. Copyrighted. Yes, copyrighted. And then there's this other video that I did. It was like me reacting to Lizzo song. Not reacting, but me listening to like Lizzo song. Pick an age 1 through 100. Okay. And I got like copyrighted. Okay, let's see. Okay. Let's start. Hairstyle. Let's see. I'm gonna do like, I don't know, I'm gonna have to look through the hairs and see which one I would think I would choose. These are hard choices. I wanna see what the first ever hair was. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. What's this one? Oh God. Oh God, no. Please no. I'm just gonna do this one. Okay. Like that. Yeah. No. No. Yeah. Okay. I fit. Eek. Ook. Ag. I need something with pants. Shorts. Black shorts. I need. Yes. Well, actually, no, I don't. Yeah, I don't. Whatever. It doesn't matter what I wear. Do. I got a song stuck in my head, and I don't know what it's called. For and up. White, I guess. Yes. Get it to it. What's that I was gonna wear? Black? Yes. Get it to it. And color 2. Eek, ag, ook, eek, I don't know what I'm saying, cause I'm bored. Bored! I actually don't know what I'm putting on my face now. I'm just kind of like putting random things on. I don't know what to put on anymore. Like, shit, I want to put like another headpiece on. I don't know what other headpiece I should wear though. How about that? I'm gonna do that. Okay. What other headpiece should I wear? Should I wear like a crown? Gold? White? I guess? I don't know. Should I wear like a face thing? White? No, that looks bad. That looks really bad. No, that looks really bad. Well, I don't have any shoes on. Outfit. White. This is black. No, oh my god. I don't even know what I'm looking for anymore. I forgot what I was looking for. Oh yes, something with shoes. I need something. No. No, that don't have shoes on it. No, that just looks like wearing pants. Oh my god. No, oh my god. No. Oh, remember? I remember TikTok where that girl was like, the shimmer and shimmy with that shirt on that I was just wearing, the one I'm wearing. Not like the one under this thing, but like she did this shimmy, and then, oh, she wasn't wearing a bra on. Oh my god, and Charlie D'Amelio also wore that one. Something like that. And I'm like, I don't want to watch this. And I'm like, change your shirt now. So upset. Like, why? Like, why? Here, I'll change my name. Millie. Let's see. I'm gonna choose 21 years old. No, that's not how you spell old. There we go. Now, oh my god! Huh? Oh my gosh. R. Done. No, my god! Never mind! Okay, I won't then. No. I am so upset because, oh my god, what in the living? I just kind of want to swear right now, but I can't because my mom's on there, and yeah, like. I won't say something that bad, but you probably get me right now, like you want to swear so bad, but oops, never mind. I'm gonna stop my thing. Alexa, timer off. Ooh, I only have a couple minutes left, and we'll just chit chat. Yeah. Oh my god, I want to get into this iPad so bad. I need a photo of my mom. Like, is there a photo of my mom on here? Like, I need a photo of my mom. I'm gonna, like, is there several photos here? Where's a photo of my mom? I wanna, like, stop it, but I don't know how to, like, play it again, like, keep going. So I'm gonna, like, look through some photos, but I can't. Oh my gosh! I forgot that there's a laptop in here. Ha ha ha! Oh, but I don't know the password to get in. Oh, oh my gosh, I don't know anything anymore. Oh wait, it's already opened. Yes. Photos. I think that's it. I got a photo of my mom. Yes. Come on, get in. Oh, good. How long do I need to wait? Photos. No, now it's not doing the Face ID anymore. It's just having me put in the password. Oh my god. But when I first try to open it, like, well, now how do I go? Oh, that's how we go through the photos. Oh. Okay. Oh, now I just got a notification on YouTube. Oh, god. Well, I'm gonna go on YouTube here and, like, just like, yeah. Like, yeah. Because, yeah. YouTube. Switch accounts. What? There's no other accounts. Kidding me? Yeah. Bye.